If you've ever wanted a cleaner, more organized N8N workflow, grouping nodes is one of the fastest ways to make it happen. In this video, I'll show you how to group N8N nodes in just a few seconds. This is especially useful when your workflow starts getting bigger and more complex, because grouping helps you keep related steps together and makes everything much easier to read and manage. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick N8N tutorials. Let's jump right in. To group your N8N nodes, first select the target nodes by clicking and dragging a box around them. Make sure the box covers every node you want to include in the group. Once your nodes are selected, simply press the C key on your keyboard. That's it, the selected nodes will instantly become a group. You'll now see them grouped together, which makes your workflow look much more organized and easier to work with. This is a simple but very powerful shortcut when you're building larger automations in N8N. Instead of leaving related nodes scattered across the canvas, you can quickly bundle them into one clean section with just a drag and a key press. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to group N8N nodes fast and keep your workflows tidy. If this helped you out, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.